Hello guys, you're welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Bbnaija lockdown. Why other housemates evicted me? Ka3na reveals true reason why she was evicted. Big Brother Naija housemate Ka3na has given reasons other housemates voted her out today. Ka3na became the first contestant to leave the show this year. When interviewed by host Bbnaija, she said she had mixed feelings about leaving so early. However, she was not angry with other housemates for voting her out, as it is only a game at the end of the day. Ka3na said she came on to the show to sell her name and brand. And she said in her words, "I will continue working on my brand. I'm grateful for this platform," she added. Okay guys, that's Ka3na reason. In the end she said it's a game, that's why the other housemates evicted her, so she's not angry with anyone. So let's just watch and see where this leads. Guys, what do you think about Ka3na's eviction? Do you think the housemates played it right? Are you happy she left? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If it's your first time of viewing, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.